Hey there, welcome to this week's In the Shop with Scott. Not in the shop, back on the patio. Showing out the table and benches we finished this weekend. Sanded them down to bare wood, re-stained, and then put multiple coats of Total Boat Gleam varnish on. Look at that shine. So, hope you enjoy the video. Hey, there'll be a link in the description to the hat and shirt. If you like those, go check them out. See ya. I was able to get a little shop time on Friday afternoon to continue working on the end grain walnut cutting board. I used the drum sander to get a flat surface on both sides, then clean that up with the orbital sander. With the first round of sanding complete, I squared up the sides with the table saw. Then rounded over all the edges. I set the router up with a bullnose bit to add finger holds underneath. What do you think of this shot? Saturday morning, my dad and nephew came by to help work on refinishing our patio table. I made this about 7 years ago and probably should have refinished last fall before it got this bad. It was quickly decided we needed to get down to bare wood. My nephew was very excited to get some GoPro action shots. There was a lot of hand sanding on the legs before using the orbital on the top of the table and benches. Somehow there was very little footage of that. My buddy Nick from Nashville Timber stopped by to run some 8-quarter maple through the joiner for a table he is building. I think he's just using me for my joiner. We moved the patio table into the yard. You can see how we got it down to bare wood. With all the dust wiped off, we started applying some stain. I had plans to build a new table this spring, but time has gotten away from me, so this one will have to last a while longer. Here are some more of those GoPro action shots he wanted to get. On Sunday, I started spraying coats of Gleam varnish. I managed to get 4 good coats by the end of the day. The next break in the weather, I will add a couple more for added UV protection. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to help me out by hitting that subscribe button.